What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you read the thumbnail, you already know what we're doing today. Today we're going to build a salon desk. But before we get started, if you haven't already, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. Just like always, I'm going to give you a rundown of all the materials and cut links you're going to need for this build. Let's get started. We're going to start off with using 4 item A's and make a box. We're going to attach these using glue and nails. Be sure to wipe up all excess glue. So next we're going to drill 4 pocket holes in item B. That's 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. It really helps if you cut spacers to help you align the placement of item B. That's solid. Now we're going to attach item C for the back of the box. Again, we're going to use pocket hole screws to attach this guy. A piece of wood should sit flush on the back side. That's going to serve as our cleat. Let's take a look. So my wife thinks she can describe the process better than I can. So here she goes.
Okay, so this is what he's doing right now, right? So he's stacking these little things up here like this or whatever. Yeah, just like that. And you do that like that, okay? And then you see whoosh, that just fit in there just like that. Yep. And pop, and pop, pop, pop. Yeah, folks. And you see how good that came out? It's just that easy, just like that.
Just that easy, just like that. So next we're gonna add wood filler to fix any imperfections. And since this is a salon desk, let's make a place to put a blow dryer. For this, I'm using a 3-inch hole saw. Perfect. Now we're making some progress. Now we're going to sand all touchable surfaces with 120 grit. Next, we're going to add some pre-stain conditioner. And after that soaks into our wood, we're going to add our stain. Now that we're all stained up, let's add a few layers of warm satin polyurethane. But before we get to that, I decided to add drawers to this build. Using these universal C-clamps for cabinets, it made aligning the fascia simple and easy. I'll leave a link in the description. And there we have it, drawers. Now let's add the polyurethane. Oh yeah, it's glossy. Now let's see the final product. Now look what you've made. I just want to thank you for following along with this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Take care.